Gerchik and Company. We sorry for just a slight delay. There was just issues with some new webinar room, but we're with you here. As you know, we have started just right now a 5th season demo account. It's basically a very simple procedure. You register a demo account, you trade, and if you perform good results, you'll get $1,000 in a team account. Real money, by the way. Don't forget to like us. And what I wanted to tell you, yesterday I did a review of the Forex market and stock market itself. It was amazing results. I mean, today everything went down. Unfortunately, you didn't see it, but the next time we'll make sure that everything is going to be fine. Anyway, we'll start right now with Forex, and I wanted to show you. Yesterday I said the euro is going to go down. If you take a look, it looks like the euro is going to go down. It looks like we have move to the euro side is a 109, and I think we're going to go much lower. That's what I expect from the euro. Yesterday I said the euro is going to go down, and the British pound is going to go down, and the New Zealand is going to go down, and the Australian dollar is going to go down, and the Bitcoin as well is going to go down. So take a look. Euro is down. Japanese yen looks pretty nice. If we're going to get up above the 107.774 for the USD JPY, we can just see higher and go to the level 108.681. Canadian dollar looks like it's trying to basically build a position, and if the Canadian dollar will go above 133, we can have a chance to see the Canadian dollar just to go just a little higher. New Zealand, I said right away, the New Zealand dollar is going to go lower. Looks like we're going to retest new lows as far as the New Zealand dollar. The same as the Australian dollar. Take a look. Now the Australian dollar basically in a very bad short zone. If we're going to break 0.67467, we're going to go much lower for the Australian dollar. Gold, it looks like it's going to go higher, and I'm very bullish about the gold. I think the gold is going to go higher, break the 1544, and then go higher. Swiss franc. Honestly, I'm not a big fan. I'm not a big fan of a Swiss franc, and I think the Swiss franc basically, is the local currency. I don't pay a lot of attention to it, but it looks like it's just going to be staying in a big range. British pound also, you see, it's went down big, like 120, 130 points, and it looks like if we're going to break a level of 123.50 right here, we can go much lower. Brent, I said Brent yesterday is going to go lower for one simple thing. This news came out. The news was based on the information that Saudi Arabia, their oil refineries got destroyed. And obviously, when the news came out like this, you should understand that it's going to be a different countries, which is definitely going to take out the oil refineries instead of the Saudi Arabia. So you don't have to worry about. I think the oil is going to still go back to 59 and lower, and I think the oil prices are going to go in around 50s and hold on out there. Bitcoin yesterday I said that it's going to go much lower. Take a look. Bitcoin looks that it broke the very strong support of 94.48, and it looks like the Bitcoin is going to go lower. Ethereum obviously goes right with Bitcoin, so it's a big jump. Take a look from basically 210 from yesterday to 150. I mean, it's huge. $60, almost 30% drop in the Ethereum alone. And now we'll go back to stock market part. Hold on just 1 second. Okay, first of all, we'll start with the spider. Spider basically, it's in a good zone. Anything below 29.50 in a spider will definitely create a very short and a fast position. So make sure below 29.50, you'll take a look at the spider. He has all the chances to go lower. Tesla, yesterday also the Tesla is going to go down. Tesla has a very strong level of 210. If Tesla is going to be able to hold on to 210 level, he has all the chances to go lower. Amazon, basically, I'm very bearish about Amazon, and did a very nice dip. Why I'm bearish about the Amazon? Because the Amazon is slowing the business itself. So basically, the Amazon is definitely gonna make more money, but they're gonna make money slower. When the company makes money slower, obviously, it will definitely affect their growth and earnings. So when you see something like this, you should understand that Amazon is going to get, if not destroyed, it's going to go lower. So below 1700, it's going to be a very strong level for the Amazon to go lower. Alibaba, I'm basically bullish about the Alibaba. I like the stock. I think this is one of the best Chinese company. I think it's going to do very well over the long term. Unfortunately, we should understand if the stock market is going to get destroyed, the Alibaba is also going to go lower. Facebook, I'm bearish about the Facebook, and for one simple thing, all of these companies, they haven't slowed down, and you should expect dips on that. The one thing I'm bullish about, actually two things, it's Apple and Google. Take a look, Apple and Google. I'm bullish about those two companies. I think basically they're going to hold on very well. Apple is started doing very well. They're basically making a lot of money in the different kind of products. So I think personally the Apple is other future stock for the long term. And the Google, I like it as well. Google basically, it's not pulling back, and the bad news in the market. So it looks very good. Two negative stocks, it's Uber and Lyft. I'm both bullish on them, very bullish on them, and I think they're definitely going to go down. Also very bullish about the Beyond Meat. Beyond Meat broke today support, and it looks like it's going down. And I'm very bearish about Teva. Teva Pharmaceutical, that's the company which has been owned big chunk by the Warren Buffett, and it looks like he's getting destroyed. As of today, we are finishing together. I wish you all guys good luck. Participate in our demo account championship, and all the best.